Imagine, if you will, the intricate brain of a single fruit fly. Within this tiny creature, smaller than a poppy seed, there exists a symphony of nerve cells, delicately woven together to guide every aspect of her life. These cells don't just exist randomly. No, they are part of a complex network that enables her to fly, to mate, to eat, to sleep, and to navigate the world in ways we are only just beginning to understand. And now, after years of meticulous research, we have a map. Not just any map, but the first complete map of all 139,255 nerve cells inside a fruit fly's brain, along with their 54.5 million connections. It's staggering to think that such a small brain could hold 149.2 meters of neural wiring, all precisely organized within that minuscule space. Yet it does. This map is a window into how information flows between cells in Drosophila melanogaster. While simpler than our own, the fruit fly's brain remains complex enough to challenge even the most dedicated scientists seeking to unravel its mysteries. It's a glimpse into a world that has, until now, remained hidden from us. To neuroscientists like Olaf Sporns, who coined the term Connectome nearly 20 years ago, this achievement is nothing short of fascinating. In those 2 decades, we've made strides in mapping connectomes, beginning with the simple worm, C. elegans, and progressing to more complex creatures, including parts of the mouse and human brains. But this latest work on the fruit fly is the largest and most comprehensive connectome of its kind. What lies within this map? The answers to questions about neural function, behavior, and perhaps even the nature of intelligence. But more than anything, this tiny brain is a reminder. Even in the smallest of creatures, life is woven with exquisite complexity.